What's up guys, we talked about the Huawei Mate 30 Pro's design well before images from China starting popping up on social media. We know that the handset will feature a waterfall display. That means the phone will have more extreme curved edges than the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and a multi-lens camera on the back. Last week, I showed you a photo of what allegedly the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, heavily discussed inside a case built specifically to shield its design for praying eyes like ours. It appears as though Huawei's top technological achievement for this year has once again been photographed. The prolific tipster and the leakster Ice Universe posted 4 images on his Twitter account and says the Mate 30 Pro was discovered in the subway and feature a waterfall screen design. Its backside matched the leaking protective case. Images from anonymous leaker to Weibo @ some Chinese words according to the Google Translate Feng Chao technology. Huawei's next flagship handset is in testing in China as these quality images Pro. The phone does feature a waterfall display, making the side bezels nearly invisible. The screen curvature doesn't go all the way to the back, however, and the phone will still feature physical buttons on the side. There's a notch at the top, complete with several sensors, which will power Huawei's 3D face recognition system. On the back, meanwhile, we have a rather bulky case hiding the phone's design. There's a latch on it that lets you test the primary camera, and from the looks of it, the phone will have a sizable triple lens shooter like its predecessor. It's unclear from these images whether the phone will have a circular or rectangular camera module on the back. The flash opening does seem to match what previous leaks have suggested. The Huawei is going for a round camera module this year. The big question surrounding the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is whether the device will have Android or Harmony operating system installed. Unveiled earlier this month, Harmony operating system is Huawei's own operating system with a perfect name. It works in harmony with a number of devices including smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, cars, and the computers. The Mate 20 series was unveiled last October, but the Mate 30 phones may be announced earlier than that. A recent rumor claimed the phone would be unveiled on 19th September, right in the middle of new iPhone season. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace.